Warning, this video contains disturbing content. If you are sensitive to this type of content, please don't watch this video. Hey, welcome to my channel. So this video is not the normal type of content I would put out, but I wanted to talk about this for a while. Before you continue watching, I'd like to say more content like this is going to be coming to the channel, but I'll continue on that later in the video. So there's been strange and odd appearances on YouTube. These animal rescue channels have been bothering me for a while because it's scary to see these channels have been treating these animals horribly just for a couple of views. And one example to back up my statement is the fact that they put them in dangerous places, even to the point where they could obviously kill them. And just for views. I'll explain more on that later. So a quick announcement before you go on watching the video or continue watching it. We're gonna be starting in like new genres stuff, like horror, and then horror, for instance, yeah. As an example, but that's an example, yeah. But you'll see more of that type of content in the near future because the drama content has been dry, like very dry lately. Anyways, back to the video. The story continues. I think you should just cut that part out. We'll be going over a few things, like a few of these channels, but here's the first one. It's called KM Animals. Supposedly the video is a puppy gets bitten by a bigger puppy and then they bring it back to health. But these kids in the video stabbed the puppy, played it off as a bigger dog bit the puppy. But what I've seen is a blatant lie, because near the end of the video the bite, or the bite mark, is completely gone, and that was a huge bite mark, to be honest. And supposedly they made a clip of them washing and cleaning the dog before they cut it. So now the channel is rebranded, called KM Daily. It only posts they post like bird watching videos now, whatever. They're still posting this day. That's what I'm saying. The channel should be taken down even after all those videos. It's just scary. It's horrifying to see that the channel's still up. So before you leave, I would like to mention that the people that stayed this far, thank you for all the people that actually stayed this far. We'll be doing more content like this in the near future. And remember, please subscribe, like the video so people can actually see the video. Always remember, stay fat and have a good day to all.